Hi there! In this video, we'll go through how to make a general payment from your mobile in your student portal. Once you've logged into your student portal with your 9-digit student ID and password, we'll look for, then expand the My Finances tile. The expanded tile shows the amount awaiting payment on your account and the options to view My Finances and make a general payment. Select Make a General Payment. You will see a list of your transactions on your account, as well as the Make a General Payment buttons that feature at the top and bottom of your screen. To make a general payment, click either Make a General Payment button. Add your payment amount and select the OK button. You can choose to pay the full amount owing or make several smaller payments before the due date. Enter in your MasterCard or Visa details. This includes your card number, expiry, and CVN or security number. Select Next to continue. Finally, confirm you're not a bot by selecting the I am human checkbox for reCAPTCHA. Then select the Pay button to finish this transaction. Once your payment has been successfully processed, your student portal will load a page that shows your payment confirmation details. A receipt will be emailed to your preferred email address in the system. Select OK to return to your payment information summary. You can also view your receipts at any time under the Payment Receipts tab. It may take a few minutes for the payment you just made to show here. Use the Home button at the top center of your screen on your mobile device to return to the home page of your student portal at any time. Please contact us for assistance if you are unable to pay your account balance before the due date. Use the Contact Us tile in your student portal to get in touch with us by using web chat, phone, or leave us a message on our website.